Hello guys, so we are back and now we are playing Gangsta Vegas and reviewing Iron Grinder. So there was an offer going on this bike, so I had buy it and decided to review it. So let's ride it, and its speed is so cool. Okay, I fallen down, sorry. Wait, don't touch my bike. Okay, why do you want this car? This is so bad car. If you have so cool bike, so why do you want this? Go back to our bike. Let's go back. Okay, this cop is gone mad. He is going to rotate like this. So let us make him out of that glitch. Okay, now he is proper. So let's see, he is coming by running. Okay, he is coming by running. He is mad. He thinks that he can catch us by running. He is mad. I'll leave him. Let's go. It's too cool to ride this in desert area. Its speed is so cool, and I love to ride a bike in this bridge because it is straight directly, so it is too much fun to do wheelie here. It's too much fun. So guys, it is my first video with my voice, so please like, share and subscribe. There will be some mistake because it's first time, so please like, share and subscribe. Oh, cool. Okay, I'm safe. Thank God. If I would have fallen down, then my bike will gone. My bike has gone, and I am also died. Oh, okay, I fallen down. Is my bike okay? Okay, it's okay. Let's go back to our bike. I love this bike. It looks so good. It's so cool. I loved it. So let's enjoy by this bike. Let's go to airport. Let me drink water. Okay, I'm fine. Why it is going so slow? Come on, fast. Okay, now it's proper. Oh, okay, I'm safe. So let's take a shortcut by here. Actually, I am from India, but I am playing in English. Let me think. If I get 5 likes in this, so I will play more games in my voice. Okay, from cities it is so boring, so let's go from dam. So my target is 5 likes because it is my first time. In my first video, PUBG 1. That's a noob gameplay. Yep, I know. I was playing PUBG first time in my friend's phone. There, the name. Okay, guys, I was not knowing that game voice is not there, so now it is. So enjoy the stunts. So thanks for watching my video. You guys are awesome. Don't forget to like.